Hey YouTube, Sack Guy here. Today I want to talk about the Bantam and the Bantam Alox. This is a single blade knife. Now the red handle celluloid handle knife has got the key ring, if I can get them out, tweezers and toothpick, and then it has a combo tool that has half stop on it and the master blade. Now the Alox version, and this one has horizontal ribs on it. That shows that it's an earlier model knife. I believe I got this in like around 1979 when I was over in Germany the first time. And it has the combo tool, but it does not have the half stop, and then your master blade. And Officer Swiss on the back. And on here we've also got then Officer Swiss on the back. These are very basic knives, and if all you're going to be having to do is maybe open up a can or two every once in a while and pop a bottle top, and then your basic cutting blade, it's a handy little knife to carry. If you're getting dressed up going out, the Alox Bantam, very handy little knife to carry. Doesn't print in your pocket normally unless you're carrying a bunch of junk behind it. But it's a very slim knife. A lot of times you won't even know you've got it until you remember you need it. Specifications on them are 84 millimeters, 3 5/16 of an inch. Blade is 63 millimeters, 2.5 inches. Open, it's 146 millimeters, which is 5 3/4 of an inch. The celluloid handle knife weighs in at 32.7 grams, which is 1.15 ounces. And your Alox knife is 29 grams, which is 1 ounce. The width on the knives, the red Alox, the red celluloid is 11.3 millimeters, and that's right at 7/16 of an inch. And the Alox is 6 millimeters thick, comes in right at 1/4 inch. So like I said, it's a very slim knife compared to, see how much slimmer it is. And both of them, hardly any weight there at all. You hardly notice it's in your pocket. Now the Bantam Alox version, like I said, I got mine around 1979. It was discontinued around 2009, 2010. I'm not sure if they discontinued the celluloid version of the Bantam at that time. It might be also. I haven't seen them around lately, so it's quite possible. But there's so many models of Swiss Army knives out there that a lot of places, or most places, can't carry all of them. And they might not carry that one. That's all I have for the Bantam. Hope you enjoyed this little review. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And always be prepared.